Welcome to Renew Your Recipe Studio. This is Herbal Heroes series, your front row seat to the world's most powerful plants. With just one sprig, rosemary fills a kitchen with the scent of pine and memory. It's earthy, bold, and unmistakable. But this herb isn't just about flavor. It carries centuries of tradition, healing, and symbolism in its slender, fragrant leaves. From ancient rituals to roasted potatoes, rosemary has always stood out. So let's dive into the story of rosemary, an herb as timeless as it is tasty. Whether tucked under a golden roast chicken, sizzling beside potatoes, or steeped into calming tea, rosemary adds a piney kick and rustic charm to every bite. Its aroma alone can transform a simple dish into something unforgettable. Strong, fragrant, and full of life, this evergreen herb knows how to make an entrance. But rosemary's story doesn't start in the kitchen. It's rooted deep in history and meaning. Let's trace its path back to ancient times, where rosemary was more than just a flavor. It was a symbol of spirit and memory. In ancient Greece, scholars tucked rosemary behind their ears to sharpen focus. Romans filled their bathhouses with its purifying scent, and during the Middle Ages, it was hung by doors for protection. To every generation, rosemary represented remembrance, healing, and hope. A humble sprig that carried deep symbolic power across cultures and centuries. Rosemary is an evergreen shrub that thrives where the sun shines bright and the soil stays dry. It's drought-tolerant, low-maintenance, and grows into fragrant bushes that keep their leaves year-round. Perfect for gardens, balconies, or kitchen windows, rosemary rewards every little bit of care with beauty and aroma. Like the memories it symbolizes, it endures and grows stronger with time. Fresh rosemary brings bold, piney fragrance, while dried rosemary adds subtle depth for slow-cooked meals. Strip the leaves for roasting potatoes or drop whole sprigs into soups and oils for gentle infusion. You can even use the woody stems as natural skewers for grilling. Whether subtle or strong, rosemary never fails to make a dish memorable. Inside every rosemary leaf lies rosmarinic acid, a natural compound known for boosting memory and fighting inflammation. Studies suggest it can help improve focus and protect the brain from stress. And thanks to its antimicrobial properties, it's even used in natural cleaning and skincare products. One herb, endless benefits for both mind and body. Rosemary is rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, and iron, small but mighty nutrients that fight oxidative stress and support immunity. A sprinkle is all it takes to strengthen your meal and your body. Think of it as nature's little shield, tough, fragrant, and ready to defend your health in every dish. In Italy, rosemary perfumes focaccia and roasted lamb. In Greece, it seasons seafood and stews. In Spain, it's infused into oils, and in modern kitchens, it's even found in craft cocktails. From savory classics to creative twists, rosemary adds warmth and elegance wherever it travels. But beyond cooking, rosemary's story is also woven into art, culture, and memory. Shakespeare once wrote, "There's rosemary, that's for remembrance." For centuries, people have worn it at weddings, funerals, and ceremonies as a symbol of love and loyalty. Students believed it sharpened their minds, and brides carried it as a charm for lasting happiness. Few herbs carry such emotion and poetry in every sprig. And when it comes to cooking or storing it, rosemary rewards those who treat it with care. Add rosemary early in slow-cooked dishes to let its flavors bloom, or grill with its sturdy stems for a natural skewer. To store it fresh, wrap in a damp towel in the fridge or hang to dry in a cool spot. It's hearty, fragrant, and easy to preserve, just the way a timeless herb should be. For thousands of years, rosemary has connected memory, flavor, and tradition. It's more than a garnish. It's a bridge between the mind and the meal. From Greek scholars to modern chefs, everyone who's used it agrees. Rosemary doesn't just season food, it seasons life. Love flavor with a legacy? Subscribe and stay seasoned with every story.
See you next bite.
This story was brought to life by Renew Your Recipe Studio, where good food meets good stories.